All right, time for another thrilling toilet rebuild adventure. Today's star is a Kohler with a twist. It's got a 3-inch flush valve, not your standard 2-inch. But fear not, the game plan remains unchanged. Step 1, shut off that water and cross your fingers the old valve doesn't decide to throw a leaky tantrum. Assuming it behaves, give the toilet a good flush and suck up any remaining water with a wet vac. Next, say goodbye to the supply line and loosen those 2 nuts holding the tank to the bowl. Now comes the fun part. Lift that toilet like you're in a heated argument with your significant other and disconnect both nuts from the flush valve and fill valve. Now just reverse the chaos and voila, you're done. But wait. Before you declare victory, always check for leaks inside and outside the tank. And now, for your vital tidbit of toilet trivia. Did you know that the average person spends about 3 whole years of their life sitting on the toilet? Crazy, right? Lastly, in the interest of preventing future bathroom catastrophes, smash that subscribe button to keep your porcelain throne in pristine, leak-free condition. And remember, folks, a plumber's favorite game is toilet paper soccer, but they're all about that clean sheet. Cheers to happy flushing.